Are you looking for a way to use and install Chrome extensions on Android? Here's how you can do it. First, open Chrome and search for the Kiwi Browser APK. Then tap on the link. After that, scroll down and tap on Download APK. Then choose Download Anyway. Wait for the download to finish and then install the app. Once it's installed, open the Kiwi browser. Tap Continue. Tap on the three dots and then tap on Extensions. Tap OK. Now you can manually import an extension by tapping the button or install it directly from the Chrome Web Store. Search for your favorite Chrome extension and tap on Add to Chrome. Then press OK. To check, tap on the three dots, then tap on Extensions, and you will see that the extension has been added successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.